Okay, so I just bought this super chunky loom and I'm waiting for my first client, so we're going to give it a shot. I hope you guys can see this. So I did a slip knot on that first loop. Might be kind of difficult because I don't want to, and you probably want to use chunkier yarn even than this, but this is what they had. This is a number 6, which honestly looks bigger than a 6. Whoop. So we're just going to E-wrap all the way around to our starting point, right there. And then we're going to E-wrap around again, keeping it loose. Don't want to go too tight. I think this is really going to be better for thicker yarn than this even, which I'll pick some up tomorrow when I go grab some specialty yarn. And then once you've got them all on, what I like to do is I like to take that first one, or the last one I guess you'd say, that you just wrapped. This is a little different hook than I'm used to, and take it over. Well, this feels really weird. Very bulky. And the needle kind of slides around. I'm actually going to get, well, look at that. That's why. I'll have to fix that, right? So I'm going to get my other needle, so I'll be right again a little further back with my small needle. See how this does. That's better. At least it's not sliding around. So it's just like the other loom, just bigger pegs. I do think we're going to want a thicker yarn for this. I'm going to do several rows, and then I will come back to show you what it looks like, okay?